Imagine a world where your money has an expiration date. You go to the grocery store, you try to buy a steak, you tap your card. Declined. Not because you don't have the funds, but because you've already reached your carbon allowance for the month. You try to buy a train ticket. Declined. Your social credit score is too low because of a comment you posted online yesterday. This sounds like a dystopian movie, doesn't it? It's not. It is January 2026, and the cage is closing. Welcome to the era of CBDCs, Central Bank Digital Currencies. For the last decade, governments told you that cash is dirty. They told you it's for criminals, tax evaders, and terrorists. They pushed for convenience, Apple Pay, Tap to Pay, instant transfers. It felt like progress, but it was actually a trap. Look at the data. In 2020, cash accounted for 20% of global transactions. Today, in 2026, it is less than 4%. The infrastructure for physical money is being dismantled. ATMs are vanishing. Bank branches are closing. Why? Because they don't want you to have money you can hold. They want you to have tokens they can control. Let's look at the engineering behind the digital dollar and the digital euro. This is not crypto. Do not confuse it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is freedom. It is decentralized. Nobody can freeze your wallet. A CBDC is the opposite. It is programmable money. This means the Federal Reserve can write code into your dollars. They can set a negative interest rate, meaning if you don't spend your money by Friday, it disappears. They can restrict where you spend it, only approved businesses, only approved products. This is the ultimate dream of every authoritarian regime in history. Total visibility, total control. You might think, they would never do that in America or Europe. Really? Look at the Project Icebreaker trials. Look at the unified ledger system launched last year. While you were distracted by AI startups and political scandals, the banking system was quietly rewired. Commercial banks are no longer the custodians of your money. They are just the interface. The real ledger is now centralized. One database, one switch. And that switch can turn you off. So is it game over? Not yet. But the window of opportunity is shrinking. There are only two assets that exist outside of this digital prison. One is physical gold and silver, the ancient insurance. The other is decentralized crypto, cold storage, self-custody. If your money is on an exchange, it's not yours. If your money is in a bank, it's not yours. The system is pivoting to total control. The question is not, will they implement it? The question is, will you have an exit plan when they do? Subscribe to the channel. Next week, I will show you exactly how to build a portfolio that the government cannot touch.